Today I'm going to show you Vizia Skin Analysis. It analyzes the skin all the way into the deeper layers. So it comes back and gives us some scores based on your age and your skin type, and then it gives us a good idea on where we should go from there to treat the concerns. For example, this one here is UV spots. This is skin damage, sun damage that we cannot see. It's not visible to the naked eye. She's scored a 23%. That's a little bit low. You want your score to be at a 50%. So we know that this is something that we need to work on. Transformations Plastic Surgery is the only practice in this area that offers the Vizia Skin Analysis. So give us a call, schedule your Vizia Skin Analysis.